Unlock your dream purchases on Amazon with a smarter payment solution. Why Euro? Here's how to use Sezzle. First, head over to Amazon.com and find the items you want to buy. Browse the vast selection and add everything you need to your Amazon shopping cart as you normally would. Once you're ready to complete your purchase, proceed to the Amazon checkout. You'll see all your selected items and the total cost, just like any other time you shop on Amazon. Now, here's the key. Sezzle isn't directly integrated into Amazon's checkout process as a payment method you select on Amazon itself. Instead, you'll use Sezzle to fund your Amazon purchase indirectly. To do this, you'll need to have a Sezzle account and be approved for buying power. Open the Sezzle app or visit their website, where you can explore their Shop Now options. Sezzle allows you to create a virtual card or get a payment link for a specific amount. This is the amount you'll need to cover your Amazon order. If you're unsure of the exact total, you can estimate or check your Amazon cart again before proceeding with Sezzle. Now, return to your Amazon checkout where you would normally enter your credit card details or select a pre-saved payment option. You will use the virtual card information provided by Sezzle. Enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV as prompted by Amazon. Confirm your Amazon order. Amazon will process the payment as if it were a standard credit card transaction. Sezzle will have provided you with the funds earlier for this transaction. From there, Sezzle takes over the repayment. You'll pay Sezzle back in for interest-free installments, typically every 2 weeks. This way, you get your items now and spread the cost over time, making your Amazon shopping much more manageable and budget-friendly. Happy shopping!